my dear students, welcome to the video. This video is about the syllabus of General English. Now, General English is a subject that all the students of BA or BSc or BCom Part 1 have to study compulsorily as part of their curriculum, and the final marks that you obtain in this subject, they are displayed on your mark sheet. So this paper has been divided into 4 sections. So let's get to know them one by one. This is the name of the book that you will be required to study, and this book covers all the sections that are there in your syllabus. Essential Language Skills is the name of the book, and as the name suggests, it talks about all the language skills which are required, including, it includes LSRW skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. So this is the book that you will be required to purchase and study for this paper. So the first section that is there in your syllabus is of phonetics and translation. You must have studied a little bit of phonetics in your school. So this is about phonetic symbols, the basic phonetic symbols and translation. So there will be one question of 5 marks on transcription of phonetic symbols. Then another question of 5 marks which will talk about word stress. You will have to put stress marks in the given words. Then 5 marks for translation of 5 sentences from Hindi to English, and 5 marks for translation of 5 words from Hindi to English. So 5 marks for translation of sentences and 5 marks of translation, 5 marks for translation of words. So this is the first section of your syllabus. Now the second section of the paper is of grammar and usage. Now grammar is something that we all have studied during school time. So this is just to brush up your knowledge. You will not be learning anything new, but you will be brushing up your knowledge and you will be revising whatever you have done in your school. So the first part of this section is transformation of sentences, and it will be of 5 marks. Now transformation means that you are changing sentence from one pattern to the other. So we have sentences where we will be required to change sentences from direct to indirect narration, then from active voice to passive voice or vice versa, and then there will be sentences where you will have to correct or put articles. So all these 3 topics will be of 5 marks. And in section B only, grammar and usage, there are certain other topics that are covered, and the first the other topic is modals, which will be of 5 marks, sequence of tenses 5 marks, and prepositions of 5 marks. So section B cumulatively it consists of 20 marks. Now talking about section C, it is comprehension part. Comprehension means your understanding. So comprehension part, it always requires some texts to be studied, and for this purpose you have this book in your syllabus, Essential Language Skills, and you will be asked questions worth 30 marks. So this is the book, and this book contains some poems and some prose pieces, and you will be required to answer questions from those poems and prose pieces. So it is of 30 marks, and the division of these 30 marks is such that you will be asked 5 questions worth 2 marks, then you will be asked 3 questions worth 5 marks, that makes 25 marks, and then 5 marks for vocabulary items. So you will be required either to tell the meanings of words or synonyms, antonyms, things like that. So 5 marks for vocabulary items. That makes 30 marks for section C, the comprehension part. Then section D consists of compositional skills. Now compositional skills means that you will be required to compose something. That is, you will be required to write something on your own. So the first item in this section is letters, formal letters and informal letters. You will be asked both formal and informal, and you will be given internal choice, and it will be of 10 marks. Then there will be CVs and job applications, worth 10 marks, and there will be questions. There will be one question where you will be given some topics, and you will have to choose one topic, and you will be required to write one paragraph, and it will be of 10 marks. So this is the overall scheme of your paper of General English. It has been just for a recap, it has been divided into 4 sections, and all these 4 sections, they will be assessing you on different skills of language. So the first section is about phonetics, second section is about grammar, third section is comprehension, fourth section is composition. So this is all for the video. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can write to me in the comment box, or you can contact me directly. Thank you.